Hey everyone, and welcome. Today I'm making a true old-fashioned classic, chicken and rice from Lana's Cooking. It's simple, cozy, and the kind of Southern comfort food that's been around forever. So let's jump in and together we'll see if it delivers that warm, down-home flavor. Okay, so this old-fashioned chicken and rice is one of the easiest one-pot recipes out there. My wife and I have made this several times before, and it always turns out so good that I figured, why not film and review it? When it comes to prepping ingredients, you just dice up the onion and celery and cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces, and you're ready to start cooking. I'm a big fan of one-pot meals, and this is one of the best. Now let's get right to the taste test. I knew exactly what to expect, and my reaction from the first bite was, yep, just as good as ever. This is comfort food at its finest. Sautéing the onion and celery in butter at the beginning gives everything a nice, flavorful base to build on. It also helps tenderize the chicken as it cooks. I recommend using a good quality chicken stock as well because it helps contribute to the overall flavor. From there, you just add everything else and let the pot do the rest of the work for you. Be sure to let it rest for 10 minutes at the end for fluffier rice, and also be very generous with the black pepper because it does make a difference in the taste. This simple chicken dish is a 1,000-star recipe. It's one of our go-to favorites to make for those that are sick or under the weather, and everyone always loves it. So next time you're craving chicken and rice, give this one a try. You won't be disappointed. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out my other reviews in my chicken recipes playlist.